Hello, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you for asking.
What is your name, please?
My name is John Adams. Yours?
My name is Mary Smith.
Nice to meet you, Mary.
Nice to meet you too, John.
Where are you from, Mary?
I am from New York City.
Oh, I love New York.
It's a great place to live.
I have been there before.
When did you visit New York?
I went last year in June.
That's a nice time to visit.
Yes, the weather was perfect.
What do you do for work?
I am an English teacher.
Oh, that sounds very interesting.
It is fun teaching new students.
I would like to learn English.
You're already speaking it well.
Thank you. I am still learning.
How long have you studied English?
I've studied English for 1 year.
That's great. You're doing well.
Do you teach in New York?
No, I teach English in Laos.
Oh, really? That's very far away.
Yes, but I love it there.
Why did you move to Laos?
I wanted to explore new cultures.
That sounds like an amazing experience.
It has been very rewarding, yes.
Do you like the food there?
Yes, the food is delicious.
What's your favorite Lao dish?
I love lap, a traditional dish.
I've never tried Lao food before.
You should try it one day.
I would love to try it.
Do you enjoy traveling, Mary?
Yes, I love to travel everywhere.
Where have you been before?
I've been to France and Japan.
Wow, those are wonderful places.
Yes, they were both very beautiful.
Do you speak French or Japanese?
I can speak a little French.
That's great. French is difficult.
Yes, but practice makes it easier.
How long did you study French?
I studied French for 2 years.
That's impressive. Well done, Mary.
Thank you, John. I appreciate it.
What do you do for work?
I work as a travel guide.
Oh, that's an exciting job.
Yes, I meet people every day.
That must be very interesting.
Yes, I enjoy it a lot.
Do you travel for your job?
Yes, I travel to many countries.
That sounds like a dream job.
It is, but it's also tiring.
I can imagine. Traveling is exhausting.
Yes, but it's worth it.
I would love to travel more.
You should. It's a great experience.
What's your favorite country, Mary?
I loved visiting Japan the most.
Why do you like Japan so much?
The culture and food are amazing.
I've always wanted to go there.
You should visit Japan one day.
I'll definitely plan a trip soon.
I can give you travel tips.
That would be very helpful, thanks.
No problem. I love to help.
It was nice talking to you.
Yes, it was great meeting you.
Let's stay in touch, Mary.
Definitely see you again soon.
Goodbye, take care, and stay well.
Goodbye, John. You take care too.
Hi, Mary, how have you been?
Hi, John. I've been very busy.
Oh, what have you been doing?
I just started a new project.
That sounds exciting. What project is it?
It's a travel blog about food.
Wow, that sounds really interesting.
Yes, I combine my two passions.
Do you write about different cuisines?
Yes, I focus on international dishes.
What cuisine are you writing about now?
I'm writing about Lao food.
Lao food is so flavorful and spicy.
Exactly. I love the spicy flavors.
Have you visited Laos for research?
Yes, I went last month actually.
That must have been incredible, right?
It was. The food was amazing.
Did you try sticky rice there?
Yes, and the mango sticky rice.
I love mango sticky rice too.
It's the perfect dessert, isn't it?
Absolutely, the sweetness is just right.
What's your favorite international dish, John?
I really love Italian pasta dishes.
Italian food is always a great choice.
Yes, especially lasagna and carbonara pasta.
Well, I make a great lasagna.
Really? I'd love to try it.
Sure, I can cook for you.
That would be amazing, thank you.
No problem. I enjoy cooking meals.
How long have you been cooking?
I've been cooking since I was young.
Cooking is a very useful skill.
Yes, and it's really fun too.
What other types of food cook?
I cook Asian, Italian, and Mexican food.
Mexican food is one of my favorites.
I love tacos and spicy salsa.
Me too. The flavors are fantastic.
Do you cook much, John?
Not really, but I'm learning now.
That's great. What are you learning?
I'm learning to make simple dishes.
Simple dishes are a good start.
Yes, I just made spaghetti yesterday.
Spaghetti is easy and always delicious.
Yes, it turned out pretty good.
You'll be a great cook soon.
I hope so. Practice is key.
Definitely. Do you enjoy cooking now?
Yes, I like experimenting with ingredients.
That's the best part of cooking.
Do you ever create your own recipes?
Sometimes I add my own twists.
That's how you make food special.
Exactly. Personalizing dishes makes them unique.
I'd like to learn more dishes.
I can teach you some recipes.
That would be really helpful, thanks.
Anytime, I enjoy teaching cooking skills.
Maybe I'll teach you something too.
Sure. What would you teach me?
I can teach you English grammar.
That would be really useful, thanks.
Let's have a cooking and grammar exchange.
That sounds like a fun idea.
Yes, we can learn from each other.
Exactly, a perfect way to share knowledge.
When should we start this exchange?
How about next weekend, Saturday afternoon?
Saturday works for me. Sounds great.
Perfect. I'll bring ingredients and ideas.
I'll bring some grammar exercises too.
We're going to learn and eat.
Yes, it will be a fun time.
I'm excited already. Can't wait.
Me too. Let's plan it well.
Yes, and we'll enjoy the day.
I'll message you with more details.
Okay. I'll confirm everything this week.
See you soon. Take care, Mary.
You too, John. See you soon.
Hi, Mary. How was your weekend?
Hi, John. My weekend was fantastic.
Oh, really? What did you do?
I went hiking in the mountains.
That sounds amazing. Where exactly?
I went to the Green Hills.
I've heard that place is beautiful.
Yes, the view was breathtaking, John.
Did you go with your friends?
Yes, we camped overnight as well.
Wow, that sounds like a blast.
It was. We sat by the fire.
That must have been so relaxing.
Yes, we also roasted marshmallows too.
I love roasted marshmallows. So good.
Yes, they're perfect by the fire.
Did you hike to the peak?
Yes, the sunrise from the top.
Oh, that must have been beautiful.
It was. The colors were incredible.
I should go hiking more often.
You should. Nature is very refreshing.
I haven't hiked in a while.
Let's plan a hike together soon.
That sounds like a great idea.
How about next month sometime?
I'll check my schedule. Sounds perfect.
You'll love the views, trust me.
I believe you. It sounds amazing.
Do you have hiking experience, John?
Yes, but I prefer shorter trails.
That's fine, we can go easy.
Thanks. I'm excited to explore nature.
Do you have any hiking gear?
I have boots, but no backpack.
I can lend you a backpack.
Thanks, that would be really helpful.
No problem. I have extra supplies.
What else do I need, though?
Bring water, snacks, and a jacket.
Got it, I'll pack those things.
Well, and sunscreen is important too.
Good tip. I'll definitely bring that.
Hiking in the sun requires protection.
Do you ever hike in winter?
Yes, but winter hikes are harder.
I can imagine. Colder and tougher.
Exactly, but the snow views are magical.
I bet. I've never tried snow hiking.
We can do that another time.
Sure. Let's start with summer hiking.
Agreed, it's easier and more comfortable.
Do you hike often, Mary?
Yes, I try to go monthly.
That's a great routine to have.
It helps me stay active and relaxed.
I need more outdoor activities, honestly.
Hiking is perfect for fresh air.
I'm excited to join you hiking.
You'll love it. We'll have fun.
Do you have a favorite trail?
Yes, the waterfall trail is beautiful.
Waterfalls? That sounds like a dream.
It is. The sound is so calming.
I've always loved the sound of waterfalls.
Same. Nature's music is the best.
I agree. Nothing beats natural sounds.
I'll take you there next time.
I'm really looking forward to that.
It'll be a great adventure, John.
I'll make sure I'm fully prepared.
Don't worry, I'll help you out.
You're a hiking expert, aren't you?
I guess you could say that.
I'll trust your expertise then.
Thanks. We'll have an awesome trip.
I can't wait for the hike.
Me too. It's going to be great.
Let's finalize the plans soon, Mary.
Sure. I'll message you the details.
Perfect. Let's enjoy nature together.
Yes, it'll be a great experience.